Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Fluency of Coyote School News. And we're on day 4 of our fluency lesson. We've been talking about expression and adding tone with that. We've been looking this week for clue words, not only with punctuation, but clue words that our author adds that helps us to bring our voice level up, or maybe it brings our voice level down. And so remember, I've been reminding you every day that reading with expression makes our stories more exciting, and stressing some of our words makes, or with more feeling and others with less feeling, makes our story more interesting to our readers. Now, today is going to be your day to give me your explanation so that I know that you understand what we've been covering this entire lesson this week. So, at the end, you are going to type for me in the comment box and post it, your explanation of how these adjectives and these verbs and these clue words that the author uses in a text show how or when to change your tone and expression when you are reading fluently. So you're going to give me that explanation. You're going to type that in your comment box and you're going to post it for your teacher. So I'm going to read this passage and I'm going to let you follow along with me, and I want you to listen. And then I want you to, like I said, type your explanation. And I want you to see if you can identify if this tone is a little bit different than the other pages that we have read. All right, so listen up as I begin. It says, and I'm going to start down here. Last night we were taking about 600 pounds of chilies to my Tio Enrique's ranch. I was in the back of the truck when it hit a big rock. All the heavy sacks fell on me. Oh boy, it hurt so much. But I did not tell my father. He had told me not to ride in the back of the truck, and I was afraid he would be mad. My hand was still hurting this morning when Miss Byers did fingernail inspection. Monchi, she said, what happened to your wrist? It's all black and blue and swollen. The chilies fell on him, Victor told her. My father told him not to ride in the back. Chimoso, I hissed at him. Miss Byers called my Tio Checo back over, and they had a long talk. Back in the bus, mijo, my Tio said. I have to take you to Tucson. Okay, so the tone of what I just read to you was a little bit different than what we read before and some of the passages that we've read this week. So, can you identify? Pardon me. So, can you identify what that tone was? Wasn't always that happy and exciting. But that author, or our author for this passage, chose, excuse me, the author chose different words, different adjectives this time, different verbs, and same punctuation, exclamation marks, question marks. We use those correctly, but different words in this part or on this page to give you a different feeling of what they were trying to tell you. So go ahead, write your explanation. Tell me, why are these words important? Explain to me. Give me your explanation of how they change expression, how they change tone. Go ahead and post it in your comment box. You've done a great job. I am so proud of you, and I will see you next time for our next story. Great job, guys, and bye-bye for now.